doing this is my age, and I'm in this weather. Oh, look at that there. There we go. Oh, epoxy stuff. Lovely. Yeah, right, okay, go again. You can see that's a bit more like route ready tacky, isn't it?
Yeah, and so this
Ain't the sort of stuff you want to use. But as horses for courses, am I right? I can sort of get away with it because I've been doing it so long. Make it work. That's how I don't work. But that's worth it. You can get through work then, you know.
in 2 degrees.
That's rising off the main. That's reasonably until I won't be doing it.
Yeah.
I think they say 3 degrees and rising you're okay, but that's, what was it, 2? Well, that didn't actually freeze, so first things for us.
That's alright then.
Good, yeah.